I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a forward focus front grille. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. Then, open the hood to get a clear view of the top section of the grille. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth process. Next, focus on the top fasteners. You'll typically find several retaining clips or screws along the upper edge of the grille. Use your screwdriver for screws and the trim removal tool for plastic clips. Gently pry them up to avoid breaking them. It's a good idea to place these small parts in a container so they don't get lost. Now, let's move to the sides and bottom. You might need to access the wheel wells or gently pull the bumper cover away slightly to reveal more clips. These are often friction fit clips that require a firm but careful pull. Take your time and work your way around the entire perimeter, ensuring every clip is disengaged before proceeding. With all fasteners released, the grille should now come free. Gently pull it straight out from the vehicle. Before reinstalling, check for any broken tabs or damage. When you're ready to put it back, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips and screws are securely fastened. This ensures your grille is properly seated and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.